Hi everyone, here we've got an ALCATEL 3X from 2020 and let me show you how to set date and time on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and find and select the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on the system, and here under languages and input we've got date and time options, so let's enter. And as you can see here, we are using network provided time, date and time zone. In order to set it manually, just tap on those switchers. And as you can see, date, time and time zone options are active, so we can freely tap on it, and by swiping we can choose the date we want to use, confirm with tapping on OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping change it, tap on OK, and the same situation with time zone. Here we have to find it in the list of available ones, for example this one, just tap on it, and as you can see it is immediately applied. What's more, we can decide what kind of clock format we want to use. Now we are using 24-hour format, but if you want to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher to turn on the 12-hour format. And as you can see, it is also immediately applied to the status bar. What's more, here we've got auto update settings, so here we can check and choose our NTP server. Let's tap on it, and here you can choose the area with which you want to be synchronized. For example, the North America. Just tap on it and it is also immediately applied. Now, in order to get back to all previous settings, just tap on the one you want to use, tap on the switcher to use 24-hour format, just tap on the switcher to use automatic time zone, and tap on this switcher to use network provided time and date. So that's all. This is how to set date and time in your ALCATEL 3X from 2020. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.